Once upon a time, there was a beautiful lush green forest. Many animals were living there, but recently, few more animals were added into the forest. It's because of the deforestation happened in the nearby forest. Many animals were migrated. One among them is Neethu. Neethu was excited and confused about the new forest.
Wow, look at this forest. It looks so beautiful. It is full of flowers, new plants, trees, and fruits. It's so nice. But still, I miss my old forest very much. I like this pond very much, but I'm not ready to try new things. All I like is sitting in this rock and seeing this beautiful lotus.
Neethu always sat near the pond and ate the plants. She could spend all her time near the pond. One day, few bees came to the pond to enjoy the nectar of the flowers. There was a bee named Flower Bee. The flower bee saw Neethu and she found that Neethu is a bit upset. She thought she could go and talk to Neethu.
Hello, Dee. How are you? Why are you looking sad? I came to this pond to enjoy some honey, but I saw you. I felt that you are not okay. May I know what makes you upset? Hello, Bee. Thanks for asking me. I am Neethu. I'm new to this forest. Everything in this forest looks new to me. I'm not ready to try new things as well. I'm so scared. I miss my old forest. Oh, Neethu, if you are scared, you can never learn. You know how much are there in this forest to learn? There are so many things to learn about this forest. You should come and explore, Neethu. What? What new things? I don't like that. All I like is sitting near this pond and enjoy the view of this beautiful lotus flowers. I can spend my full day here. I feel very boring. Boring? You know, I never felt boring ever. You know why? Because I always try something new. I just don't go to plants or flowers to enjoy the honey. I also learn something about the plants. If you are ready, I am ready to teach. You can learn from me, Neethu. If you like it, you can learn more so that you won't feel boring too. What do you say? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready for that, Bee. Let me try something new from you today. At least, why can't I just try for it? At least I will just give a try. The first step of reaching success is trying. You have did that, Neethu. Good. Let me ask you a few questions before. In this forest, there are so many plants, so many trees, so many creepers as well. But have you ever noticed the parts of plants when you eat the plants? No, I have never noticed it. You see? You have to see things and you have to learn. See, how people are telling you that you are a deer. When they see you, they can see your beautiful horns, your beautiful eyes, your beautiful four legs, and your wonderful spots on your skin. That's how they will find that you are a deer. Same like that, even plants has its own parts. Look at this plant, Neethu. What you can see? A stem, fruits, flowers, and leaves. You can see all these parts, but if all these parts has to work properly, they all need one important part, which is called root. From root, the full energy is supplied to whole plant. Oh Flabby, I have eaten so many plants in the forest, but I never noticed the parts of plants. But now I learnt it from you. Thank you so much, Bee. This is really fascinating. There are much more, Neethu. Look at these flowers. Each one of them are in different colors. White, pink, yellow. Just like us, even they are different from each other, with their flavor, smell, color, and everything. Look at this sunflower, Neethu. How magnificent, isn't it?
Neethu and Bee enjoy the colorful view of the sunflower garden.
B. As you said, look at the sunflower. The stem looks so tall and the flowers look so big and the seeds are in center of the flower. They are looking unique, B, as you said. Look at this, Neethu. This is a beach where you can find many coconut trees. Trees are like plant as well. It has roots, stem, leaf, fruits and flowers. Look here, I can see many tender coconuts. Yes, Bee, but I feel so hot. I feel sweating. I need some water to drink right now. But where I will find water now? I cannot drink the sea water. I feel very thirsty, Bee. Look, look, look. The tender coconut fell down. You are very lucky, Neethu. Come on, take this tender coconut and drink it. It has water inside. I drank it once, but I love the nectar from this flower more. Enjoy the drink, Neethu. I will tell you more about plants. See, fruits have seeds inside them. The seed grow into a new plant when they sown into the ground. Do you know the habitat of plants, Neethu? According to the place, the plants will change. For example, cactus plant. You cannot see leaves on them. You can see only spikes on them. But when you cut and see, you can see loads of water inside that. Nowadays, many people have started eating the fruits of the plant. There is a fruit called dragon fruit. It is cultivated widely in many places now because of the juicy taste. B. It is really very interesting to learn new things. I didn't expect that I could learn these many things in a single day from a small bee like you. I'm not going to be like this hereafter. I'm going to learn more and more things. But I want to ask you one thing. You said wherever you go to eat, you will also learn about the plant. Today you came to this lotus plant. What did you learn from this lotus plant? Very good, Neethu. Very good question. This lotus flower changes size according to the water level. The stem raises the flower and lowers the flower according to water level. That's how we should be in our life. Like that, life may give us good times and difficult times, but we have to learn and we have to overcome from it, Neethu. B. What you said is right. I was sitting near this pond and I always watched this lotus. One day it was raining heavily. I thought the flower would sink, but it was floating on the water. Yes, Neethu, I want you to learn this lesson from this lotus and follow the same for your entire life. Don't get scared for new things. Adjust to the new environment. Let it be bad or let it be good. Sure, B. I learned a lesson from this lotus and from you. I am going to learn new things as well as I am going to adopt any situation in my life. I think we have learned something from honeybee and lotus. What about you kids? Did you learn?